Good day everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we'll be unboxing a Spider Farmer 2x2 by 5 grow tent. It would be 70 by 70 by 160 centimeters. Indoor grow tent, 1680D hydroponic plant room for optimal growth and climate control. At this time of June of 2025, I had got it for $118.99. A regular price was $139.99. Being a 2x2 grow tent, you can accommodate up to about 4 small plants, 2 medium plants, from veg to flower. Perfect to use as a seedling or a clone tent, I would say. I also picked up the 4-inch 205 CFN fan, which also comes with the GGS controller, which you can put on the wall. I'll be reviewing that next here for sure. This tent was very easy to put up. It was very quick, not a whole bunch to it. It's got thickened Oxford fabric, tear resistant, light proof, smooth and seamless zippers, premium SBS zipper design, smooth and durable, enhanced stability, 0.8 millimeter and 16 millimeter round piping, convenient floor tray, waterproof, easy to clean, detachable. It's got better airflow to ensure proper ventilation, preventing stale air and promoting healthy plant growth. They got cable ports, mesh ventilation ports. Yeah, really nice tent for sure. Highly recommended so far. It looks like it's going to be a great tent for a mother or to veg in. I don't think it would be exactly what I'd want to do for any more than one plant if you're going to go completely to bloom. In my humble opinion, but you know, I guess it's all in what you can afford and what you can do. For me, I think it's going to be a great room for a mother plant, and that's what I'm thinking of doing with it. Like I say, I paid $118.99 for it. It was that was the sale price. Regular price is $139. And I will be doing an ongoing review looking at this. If we see any light coming through, stuff like that, we'll be doing the same thing with all of the Spider Farmer equipment that I bought. Like, I'm trying to stay with the Spider Farmer equipment, and I'm going to review everything as we go. I also have a humidifier. I'll be the 6-liter humidifier, which I'll be reviewing as well. We'll be doing a review on that. As you can see, we got this tent almost ready and up here. Not a whole bunch more to do. I had a little bit of an issue getting it in there, but it was my own fault. Just trying to get it in there a little bit too quick. But yeah, it went all right. We got it put into place, and I think it's going to be a great little tent. And as I say, we'll be reviewing this as we go. Honest review, I have no affiliation with Spider Farmer whatsoever. I paid everything myself. No help from them whatsoever or anything. So this will be definitely an honest review. Thank you everybody for watching. I truly appreciate your time. If anybody has any comments, ideas, anything like that, I'd love to hear from all of you. Thank you so much everyone for hanging out. I appreciate your time.